For many gardeners, frost is the biggest source of uncertainty. Plant too early and you risk loss. Plant too late and you lose growing time. GrowTrack is designed to reduce that uncertainty. From frost dates in GrowTrack are not hard rules, they risk markers. They help you understand when frost is likely, not guarantee when it will happen. GrowTrack calculates frost dates using location, historical patterns and current conditions. This gives you a realistic window to work with, not a single fixed day. It is important to understand frost dates are useful. They influence planting decisions. They shape alerts and warnings. They help explain why GrowTrack suggests waiting or acting. Frost dates do not force decisions. You stay in control. Some gardeners push boundaries, some prefer caution. GrowTrack supports both approaches by making risk visible. Microclimates matter here. A sheltered garden behaves differently from an exposed one. A greenhouse behaves differently from open ground. Urban spaces hold heat longer than rural ones. This is why gardens are defined as growing spaces. GrowTrack applies frost logic in context, not as a blanket rule. If something feels unexpected, Rowan can explain it. Why a warning appeared, why a planting window shifted, why GrowTrack suggests protection instead of planting. Frost dates are most useful when they are trusted as guidance, not feared as deadlines. They help you plan ahead. They help you protect your crops. They help you decide when to take calculated risks. You do not need to check frost dates every day. GrowTrack watches them for you. When frost becomes relevant, it will surface through alerts and context. In the next video, we will look at garden layout and how planning space before planting saves time and effort later.